দুখন হাতেৰে বিহুৱান দিছিলা সেই দুখন হাতেৰে মোক বিদায় দিলা বিদায় দি
So I'm shooting in these tea gardens in Assam, India, and I've never seen real tea leaves. That's what they look like, guys. Isn't that beautiful? That's what we drink. So, what am I doing? I'm on an elephant. Like a real elephant. It's so cool.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and